we're going to create a brand new workflow that acts as a Telegram slash command. This suggestion comes from Ryan Gunner. He says, hey, I have a Telegram bot I've added to the channel. How can we auto reply to a command or message with a /hi? Well, let's get started. So we're going to start from the very beginning. We're going to go into Telegram, and we can see there's this conversation with this special fella called the bot father. So this guy is responsible for making bots. And if you've never made a Telegram bot before, well, all you need to do is type in /newbot, and then we have to give it a name. Let's do something really creative and call it the Pierce Speedrun Bot. Now, don't forget, it has to end with the word bot. That's one of the rules here on Telegram. I'm just going to give it the same name twice. Cool. All right, now we have a new bot, and we can have a conversation with it. And there's a /start command automatically here, huh? Cool. So we have a bot, and the bot father has told us a special token to access the API. We have to keep it secure, keep it safe, keep it off YouTube, which I'm bad at doing. But we would copy and paste this code right here, and this is what we need to use with Pipedream. So I'm going to head on over to Pipedream. I'm going to log into my account here, and I'm going to create a brand new workflow with the trigger as Telegram bot right there. Then we'll just choose the new updates instant. The difference is this top one is for channels, this middle one is for direct messages, and the third one is just for any new Telegram event. Just be very greedy, and I like to keep things simple, so I'll choose this last one here. Now we're prompted to select our Telegram bot account, which we're going to use a brand new account, and we're going to go down here in the token area and paste this in. So I'm going to call it Pierce Speedrun Bot. And now Pipedream will go ahead and create a connection to this bot that we just created on Telegram. Cool. So it's populated. And now we can choose specific updates if we so choose. If we only care about certain events, like a new person joining a channel or a poll being answered or anything of that nature. In this case, a message is a bot command. The / command is a message. And we'll create this new source. We'll say new messages. We'll create the source. So now Pipedream is listening to new events on our Telegram bot. So let's create this command that Ryan suggested. Let's go back to the bot father here, and we can edit our bots by doing a /mybots to see them. We can see my bot here. We'll click this little this badge here, and then we'll set the bot settings to edit commands under edit bot. Here it is, edit commands. And here it's going to prompt us. It says, write a command with the command itself with a hyphen in between and the description of the command. So he said hi, and it should say description. So introduce yourself, Telegram bot. That's what this does. Cool. All right, so now our Pipedream workflow is configured, and it's listening to new events on our Telegram bot that has been connected. It's waiting for new events, so let's trigger it. Go back to our Pierce Speedrun bot, and let's use our brand new command /hi. If we go back to Pipedream, we can see, voila, we got a brand new event to select from. So we'll select this new event. This should be the message I just sent. You can see it's from myself, first name, last name. You can see it's in a private chat with myself, and it's a bot command. Underneath, there is a text field that contains the / command. This is how we can differentiate between the different / commands with our bot. So I'm going to continue here, and I'm going to add a reply, right? So let's use the Telegram bot action on a new step. Now, you can search through all the pre-built actions here, or you can just use this fancy search tool at the very top. I'm going to search for all the actions with the word message, and I'm going to choose reply to a text message. I'll select my account once again, Pierce Speedrun Bot, and the chat ID should belong to the target chat. So we can go into our results once again, and we can look for the specific chat ID, copy the path to this particular variable, go back to our action here, and then paste it in. Now we're referencing this chat ID, and we can send text to ourselves. Hi from Pipe Dream. Nice to meet you. Voila. We'll click test, and hopefully this will send a message to ourselves back in Telegram. Cool. So the result says successfully sent a text message to the chat with a chat ID. And the text that we passed through, if we go back to Telegram, look at that. It did reply to us. Awesome. So this is how we can create some basic commands in order to leverage slash commands in Telegram with a Telegram bot, and 2 easy steps with Pipedream. Now, if you want to differentiate between types of slash commands, you can add a Node.js step in between, and you can do an if statement or a switch statement based on the command given in the path. So all we do is copy the path here and then paste it in here. And now we can say conditionals like, well, if the step is high, do the high thing, right? Return high from Pipedream. This is just a quick example. Pipe from Pipedream, we'll say again in caps, so it's different from our first message, right? So we'll click test, and now we can conditionally say, well, if the slash command is slash high, do say this. If the command is slash by, for example, we'll say bye, nice to see ya. Come again soon. And now we'll be able to use this result in our chat. Instead of having a static text, once again, we can paste in the path to our Node.js step we just created. The return value of the Node.js step is this custom text. We could test it once again, and this will have a different dynamic message based on the slash command. Now to add support for our by message, we'll go back to the bot father once again. Edit game, no, edit bot. My bots. There we go. My bot, choose your bot, edit the bot, edit commands, and add another one. We'll I think it actually has to do it twice. So send greeting, and then bye to send bye now. Cool. So back at our bot, hopefully we'll see a bye command. Awesome. This will send a new event. We can select this new event. This will change our workflow to use this brand new event that has the slash by text instead of the slash high command we were using before. You can see right here, slash by. Instead of slash high, it correctly detected the right command and it sent a response to ourselves. And now we have a different command based on the slash command. To finally wrap this whole thing up, we'll click deploy. This will make our workflow live, and we don't have to select between test events anymore. It'll just work automatically. So now I can send the hi greeting once again, and we can see the event show up in the event inspector on the left and inspect the results, and it will automatically run instead of us having to select the event. And once again, do the slash by, and it updated. So this was a very quick tutorial, but this shows you how to add very quick slash commands to Telegram without having to deploy or learn too much coding and paying for servers somewhere. Just use a Pipedream workflow and a little bit of code in order to switch between the types of events and change your message, what have you. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.